You can order the sway bar end links used in the video from CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Loosen the wheel lug nuts on the rear wheels. To be able to change the rear sway bar end links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain complete access to the suspension system. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Honda Civic safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see your car's rear end link. The end link connects the rear sway bar to the lower control arms to keep the wheels firmly on the ground at all times. The components to be removed are very often seized up, so don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a 17mm wrench and a 5mm Allen key, unscrew the upper ball joint nut. Keep the ball joint from rotating using an Allen key and unscrew the nut with the wrench. Finish unscrewing by hand.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. You can now remove the link. You can order the sway bar end link used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new link and unscrew the nuts supplied with it. You can now put the sway bar end link back in place. Then, screw the nuts back on by hand at first. Screw the nuts back on until they make contact using a 17mm wrench. Use a 5mm Allen key to keep the ball joint from rotating. Tighten the nuts with a torque wrench.
If you want to know which parts and tools we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need.
Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.